Second is from Vaishnath Gore. HR jobs in danger after coming artificial intelligence technology? To some extent, yes, it is true, because artificial intelligence has brought in the possibility of interviewing you, you being interviewed by the machine also, you being the tests by the machine, you being trained by the machine, right? Companies are using these AI tools for training. Companies are using these AI tools for selection. These artificial intelligence tools are being used everywhere in the HR department, but it does not mean that the HR jobs in danger, because machines till today have not been able to replace the human brains, human hands, human mind, right? So I don't think that HR jobs are in danger. Wherever you go in the world, you will find HR people in the companies, and these HR people, trust me, they are the busiest people in the departments. As far as it comes to the comparison of tasks given to other departments, these HR people, they are always uh, surrounded by the people who have their grievance for some particular issue in the organization, who are coming with some salary issue, right? So artificial intelligence has not been able to replace the humans till today. So till today, HR jobs are not in danger, but you never know the future.